Hi friends, this video shows how to fix all Wi-Fi issues. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon. Go down, select general management. Go down, select reset. Go down, under reset here we can see reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Tap on that. You can see this will reset all your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Tap on this reset settings button. You can see Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings reset. After this reset operation, you can check Wi-Fi that should work. So this way we can easily fix all Wi-Fi related issues. Okay, just reset this Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.